Hey guys, we are back, and guess what we doing today? I'm recreating one of my old videos. I'm doing something that I haven't done in a long time. Long time.
We're gonna be baking with baby powder. Baby, you better bake. So
this is for video purposes only, okay? So let's just get right into it. If you know, you know. We're gonna be baking with baby powder. So I'm using the NK Perfect Multi-Use Concealer Super Coverage, and this is in the color Cortado. This is my brightening concealer. We're just gonna put a little bit on under here. Oh, that's kind of cute. I see why y'all do that. Okay. So now, guys, we're going to be baking with baby powder. And like I said, I'm not going to tell y'all which brand that I'm using just because I don't want y'all to do this and y'all face break out. y'all don't listen. Y'all don't have to do this. Just watch the video and see how it turns out. But, yeah. We're going to be baking. I'm scared. Y'all, we ain't do this in so long. Y'all ready? So, I just took some and put it on my beauty blender. My beauty blender is wet with my Witch Hazel facial mist. So let's get right into it. Okay, now let's like put a lot on this side. This side we just like set a little bit. Y'all know I'm not really like a makeup. I don't really do all this. So this side, let's like kind of like bake this side, like pack it in. It mattified it so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cause y'all know I don't have no foundation on. I just put a little makeup right here because I got a little discoloration right there. Okay, y'all, let's wipe it off. I'm gonna wipe it off with my little flat, whatever this brush is. Hey guys, so this is the finished result of me baking with baby powder part 2. If you got some baby powder and you really need a setting powder, bake with baby powder. Like, I mean, I'm not telling y'all to do it, but if you want to try it out, like I said, if you run out of your favorite setting powder and you got some baby powder, it works. Like I said in the last video, I will not use this every day, so don't try to use it every day. I know y'all gonna be in the comments eating me up. Oh my god, it's bad for your skin. You're not supposed to be putting that on your face, blah blah blah. Baby, at this point, we can't even walk outside without it. Oh, breaking news! Air quality says that anything can cause cancer. Eggs got cancer. Everything got cancer in it. Everything. I don't want to hear. We can't eat nothing. We can't go outside. We can't drink nothing. The clothes, everything causes cancer. At this point, listen, I'm just like, YOLO. But anyway, this is the finished result of me baking with baby powder. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you guys would like to see next. I appreciate all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Again, I am doing a giveaway, my very first giveaway when I reach 6,000 subscribers. I think we like 400 subscribers away, so share this video, like it. Make sure you guys subscribe because more videos is coming, more videos like this is coming, more makeup, hair, vlogs. story times for sure, because I got like 3 story times that y'all know I got these stories on my hair videos. I know my hair videos always go up, so definitely give y'all more hair videos. Makeup, everything is coming. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a little nostalgic, like a little throwback video of me doing the baking with baby powder, because we haven't done it in so long. So I just really wanted to see if it still works, because I haven't done it in a while, but it still works. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.